Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Idioms Explained podcast. This is Season 2, Episode 7 on Learn English by English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. Always good to be here. Emily, before we dive into today's socially adept idiom, it's time to melt away the mystery of the last What's Alex's Idiom Challenge.
I like that, Alex. In S2E6, you described a friend who was talking about a work problem in great detail, but never actually got to the main point.
That's right. And we asked our listeners which idiom from Season 1 best described that behavior of avoiding the main topic. The correct idiom, based on the concept, was to beat around the bush.
To beat around the bush. Exactly. We acknowledge this was a recent idiom from S2E5, and we appreciate everyone's great engagement. For future challenges, we'll ensure they point clearly to a unique Season 1 idiom.
Agreed. It's a learning process for us, too. Now, Emily, what idiom are we exploring today that's all about making social situations more comfortable?
Today, Alex, we're exploring the very useful idiom, to break the ice.
To break the ice. That's a great one for meetings, parties, or any situation where people don't know each other well. It means to do or say something to relieve tension, start a conversation, and make people feel more relaxed when they first meet, right?
Exactly. It's about overcoming that initial shyness, stiffness, or formality. For example, telling a joke can be a good way to break the ice at the beginning of a presentation.
Or asking a simple question like, "Where are you from?" can help break the ice with someone new. What's the origin of this phrase, Emily? Is it literally about breaking ice?
It is, Alex. The literal meaning refers to the practice of icebreaker ships, which were specially designed strong ships used to break up ice in frozen waterways, like rivers or harbors, to create a path for other ships to follow. So, metaphorically, you break the ice in a social situation to create a path for smoother communication and interaction.
That's a fantastic origin. So, just like those ships clear a path, an icebreaker activity or comment clears the way for conversation. For example, the teacher played a quick game with the new students to break the ice on the first day of class.
Perfect. These icebreaker activities are specifically designed for this purpose. It could be a simple introduction, a shared experience, or a lighthearted question. His friendly smile and offer of a drink helped to break the ice at the awkward party.
It's really about easing that initial social friction. It's a proactive step someone takes to make others feel more comfortable. It's not just waiting for the awkwardness to pass.
Well said. It implies an action taken to initiate friendliness and openness. It's a very positive social skill. So, to summarize for our listeners, to break the ice means to do or say something to make people feel more relaxed and start conversing, especially in a new or formal social setting.
A wonderfully clear explanation, Emily. An essential idiom for anyone navigating social interactions. Now, are our listeners ready to break the ice with today's What's Alex's Idiom Challenge, focusing on a Season 1 idiom?
I'm sure they are ready to dive in. What's the scenario this time, Alex?
All right, here we go. Listen carefully. I saw my neighbor struggling to carry several heavy bags of groceries up her stairs. I immediately went over and helped her carry them to her door. She was very grateful, and it was a wonderful, positive surprise for her that made her feel better.
That was very kind of you, Alex. Listeners, what do you think? Which idiom from Season 1 might describe something that seems like a normal day but has an unexpected positive outcome or surprise for someone, like a kind act? Write your guesses in the comments below.
We're excited to see your answers, and that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Thanks for joining us for Season 2, Episode 7 of Idioms Explained podcast. Please subscribe to Learn English by English and hit that notification bell. Your engagement helps us more than you know.
We truly appreciate every listener. We strive to make high-quality, useful content.
Until next time, keep learning and breaking the ice.
Bye for now.